Hello everybody, you're at Miss Watson's house today and I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder for your garden. So we just need a few little things. We need some felted pens, we need a sharp pair of scissors which you'll need to get your adult to help you with, and we need one of these. It's an empty milk carton. So we're going to start by decorating our milk carton however way you'd like. So just take a pen and we are going to draw on the front of it. So I'm going to start by drawing a shape. I wonder if you can guess what shape I'm going to draw today. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, all the same length of sides. Can you guess what it is yet? It is a square. I'm going to draw some smaller squares inside as well by drawing a little cross. One line one way and another line the other way. And that is going to be our little window for our birds so they can get inside. So I'm going to draw a little rainbow on mine too. So I'm going to use red and then orange and then I'm going to do yellow. And what should I do next? Green? It's not very bright. And then blue. I'm also going to write the word birds on the front so the birds know it's for them. So here we go to the B, E, R, D, B, E, R, D. Bird. Now this is when you need to get your adult to help. So get them to take some scissors and you are going to cut very carefully a little slit in your milk bottle. And you're going to cut along the bottom, up the side of the square and along the top of the square too. Just like that. Then you are going to fold back the little window just like that, and you can pop in some food. This is from my Piper, my dog. Put that in there. I've crushed some of it down because she's quite a big dog and we don't want the birds getting stuck. But you can put small cat food in there or a hard-boiled egg. So see what you've got lying around that the birds might be able to eat. So next I'm going to put my bird feeder out in the garden and then I'm going to watch to see what birds come to visit my garden. If you decide to make a bird feeder today, you can take a photograph of it and you can post it on our Facebook page. I can't wait to see what you've been up to. Thanks guys, see you later, stay safe.